I know at this time things might seem a little upside down, but they don't have to be. Hey, it's me again, Julie with United Real Estate. If you're starting to run out of things to do, here are some things you can work on around the house that goes beyond your spring cleaning list. Checking on your heating and cooling systems. You want to make sure that you've changed the filters regularly so that way it's ready come summertime. So here's a pro tip. If you write the date of when you last changed your air filter, just go ahead and set a reminder on your phone so that way you know when's the next time you can change it. Or if that's a little too much work, just change it every time there's daylight savings. One thing to note is that just because hot and cool air comes out of the systems does not always mean it's working properly. So you want to make sure that you have regular checkups to ensure that it's up to date. You may also want to inspect your sinks, tubs, doors, and windows because you want to check to see if there's any cracks or damages that can be fixed. I mean, you don't want any creepy crawlers, do you? I can't predict when the next rainstorm is going to be, but since it's, sunny out and you're stuck at home anyway, might as well clean out your rain gutters and downspouts to prevent clogging when there's going to be any future random California rains. And also, this is a great time to make sure none of those gutters are loose or need fixing so that way you're prepared come the rain time. Another thing you can do is take a walk around the exterior of your home. A good rule of thumb is to jot down any notes that can include any cracks in your paint, discoloration on your walls or foundation, and especially if you have soil or plants that are possibly touching your walls, a good thing to keep an eye on. And for those of you who need your steps in, this will help. I mean, since you're checking your exterior of the home anyway, if you have sprinklers, this is a great time to check to make sure none of them are faulty and that they're spraying in the right direction. You also want to make sure that they're following the city guidelines so that way they're going along with the water preservation regulations. Wow, say that 3 times. Water preservation regulations. In the meantime, you also want to check your faucets and your hoses to make sure that there aren't any leaks. If there's anything that you see that may need attention and maybe need to call a contractor out, whether it's plumbing, electrical, gardener, landscaping, pest control, termites, don't be afraid to text, DM, or email me and let's discuss the safest way for you to tackle that situation. Catch you next time on JTTV.